What if the food you eat could either heal or harm you? Imagine uncovering secrets about plant-based diets that doctors rarely talk about. From shocking health benefits to hidden dangers, this story dives deep into the world of veganism and vegetarianism. Can your body thrive on plants alone? Or are there risks no one warned you about? Stay tuned as we unravel the truth behind ripples in the green wave and discover how it might change your life forever. Don't forget to subscribe for more eye-opening content. The world is shifting toward greener choices, not just in energy but also on our plates. Restaurants now boast vibrant salads and tofu scrambles, while grocery stores stock shelves with almond milk and chickpea pasta. This isn't a fleeting trend. It's a movement fueled by ethical concerns, environmental urgency, and promises of better health. People are trading steaks for seitan and butter for avocado spreads, lured by visions of longevity and vitality. But what lies beneath this leafy facade? Vegetarianism began centuries ago, rooted in cultural practices like Hinduism and Buddhism. Veganism, its stricter sibling, emerged much later, driven by modern ideals of animal rights and sustainability. Today, these lifestyles aren't just about food, they're statements against factory farming, climate change, and even societal norms. Yet, adopting a plant-based diet isn't as simple as swapping ingredients. It requires understanding nutrients once abundant in meat and dairy, such as protein, iron, and vitamin B12. Without them, fatigue, weakness, and cognitive issues can creep in unnoticed. Take Sarah, a young professional inspired by Instagram influencers who swore by kale smoothies and lentil bowls. At first, she felt lighter, clearer-headed, almost invincible. Her skin glowed, and her energy soared. But months later, something shifted. She grew tired easily, struggled to focus at work, and noticed brittle nails and thinning hair. A doctor revealed the culprit: nutrient deficiencies masked by her seemingly healthy meals. Stories like hers highlight why knowledge matters when embracing a plant-based lifestyle. Transitioning demands planning, balance, and awareness, not just passion. Despite potential pitfalls, the advantages of vegetarianism and veganism are undeniable. For starters, studies consistently link plant-heavy diets to lower risks of heart disease, diabetes, and certain cancers. Fiber-rich foods keep digestive systems humming, while antioxidants combat inflammation and premature aging. Even mental clarity seems sharper, thanks to steady blood sugar levels from complex carbs found in quinoa, sweet potatoes, and whole grains. Consider Mark, a former fast food enthusiast turned devoted vegan. After years of battling high cholesterol and sluggishness, he decided to overhaul his diet. Within months, his numbers improved dramatically. His doctor praised his new routine, crediting reduced saturated fats and increased phytonutrients. Mark wasn't alone. His friends noticed his newfound vigor too. He climbed stairs without gasping for air, ran marathons, and radiated positivity. Beyond personal gains, plant-based diets benefit the planet. Animal agriculture contributes significantly to greenhouse gas emissions, deforestation, and water waste. By choosing beans over beef, individuals shrink their carbon footprint considerably. Ethical considerations add another layer. Factory farms often subject animals to cramped, cruel conditions. Opting out of supporting such systems appeals to compassion and conscience alike. These broader impacts make plant-based living appealing to idealists and pragmatists alike. However, the path of plant-based eating isn't paved solely with kale chips and coconut oil. Critical nutrients missing from many vegan and vegetarian diets include omega-3 fatty acids, calcium, zinc, iodine, and vitamins D and K2. While fortified cereals and supplements help bridge gaps, they don't always replicate natural sources. Iron absorption, for instance, differs between heme, animal-derived, and non-heme, plant-based forms, requiring careful pairing with vitamin C-rich foods like citrus fruits or bell peppers. Imagine Lisa, an aspiring athlete transitioning to veganism during college. Initially excited, she soon faced challenges. Cramps during workouts became frequent, and recovery times stretched longer. Blood tests showed low ferritin levels, a marker of stored iron. Despite consuming spinach salads daily, her body struggled to absorb enough. Only after consulting a nutritionist did she learn to combine foods strategically, adding pumpkin seeds and tahini to boost bioavailability. Vitamin B12 poses another hurdle, as it's naturally absent in plants. Deficiency symptoms range from fatigue to neurological problems, making regular monitoring essential. Similarly, omega-3s, crucial for brain function, require flax seeds, chia seeds, or algae oil to replace fish-derived options. Overlooking these details can lead to imbalances, undermining the very health goals driving the dietary shift. Awareness and education become lifelines in navigating this green maze. So, where does this leave us? Is plant-based eating a panacea or peril? The answer lies in balance and intentionality. Success stories abound among those who approach vegetarianism or veganism thoughtfully, blending science with passion. They prioritize variety, ensuring plates brim with colors and textures. They listen to their bodies, adjusting portions and recipes based on feedback. And they seek guidance when needed, leaning on experts to fine-tune their regimens. Technology plays a role too. Apps track macronutrients, meal delivery services cater to niche diets, and online communities foster support. Together, these tools empower individuals to embrace plant-based lifestyles sustainably. As global awareness grows, innovations emerge: cultivated meats, lab-grown dairy alternatives, and biodegradable packaging, all reshaping how we view food. Ultimately, whether someone chooses vegetarianism, veganism, or omnivorism depends on values, preferences, and circumstances. There's no one-size-fits-all solution, only informed decisions tailored to unique needs. What remains universal, though, is the power of plants to nourish, heal, and inspire. If you enjoyed exploring the complexities of plant-based living, hit that subscribe button. Join us next time as we delve into more fascinating topics shaping our world, one bite at a time.